Hi, in this video tutorial we are showcasing how to add notifications to Thinkific Course Player. Notification events are triggered on lessons and course completion. It shows scored points in the point score series, that is if you have assigned points to that specific activity. Notification events are also triggered on ongoing and complete badges. To add notifications, just head to Pointagram.com to our documentation page and under integrations select Thinkific. The link will be added to this video description. Click on how to add notifications to course player in Thinkific. Head to the code section and then copy it by pressing on the copy button on the top right corner. Then head back to Thinkific, go to settings and then code and analytics. Paste in the code snippet into the site footer code section. Save, then you're done. The notifications are customizable. Score series and badge icons are changed within Pointagram. You can change the notification text in the script, change colors and much more. Read our documentation for more information.